Stop this. Use Microsoft Word document as a professional user of computer. You are developing your Word document and you need to replace this personal information at the top of your document, but you don't know how you can do it in just a few seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this cut, you see, and paste command so that you can replace your information anywhere in Microsoft Word document in just a few seconds. So let us see how you can do it. Yes guys, once you need to replace your data on somewhere, for example, or there's data on the top of our document, you need to select them and then come and click on here on cut. You see, once you click on cut, is no longer available here, so you need to replace your cursor here and then click on this paste icon. Just a few seconds. Now do you see our now personal information are located at the top of our project, right? So thank you. This is how you can use this cut paste command in order to save your time and develop professional document in just few minutes. So see you in next lesson.